Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to set up Xfinity Wi-Fi without Coax cable, wireless gateway and mobile hotspot option. So if you don't have a Coax cable available, you can still get internet access using alternative method depending on your Xfinity service and equipment. So method first is use an Xfinity wireless gateway. Plug the Xfinity gateway into a power outlet, then place it near a window or open area for a better signal. Wait a few minutes for the gateway to turn on completely. Open the Xfinity app on your phone, then sign in your Xfinity account. Follow the app instruction to activate the gateway. Connect your device to the Wi-Fi network shown on the gateway label. Second method is use your phone as a mobile hotspot. Make sure mobile data is turned on, then open setting in your phone, tap mobile hotspot or personal hotspot. Turn the hotspot feature on, set a Wi-Fi name and password if needed. On your computer or other devices, open Wi-Fi setting, then select your hotspot network and enter the password. Thanks for watching.